It's rare to see anything but Amtrak and the New Mexico Rail Runner on the tracks north of Albuquerque, but on August 11, 2020, we heard a BNSF train get track warrants in Lamy to move west. I knew there was a rock train working that area, so we quickly went trackside to catch it. Maintenance of way work has been ongoing on the Raton and Glorieta subdivisions, including new signals, ties, and ballast. This train has been spotted for several days, and it really pays to listen to the scanner.
Tren de alta velocidad de advertencia que se acerca. Por favor, paso detrás de la línea amarilla. Warning, high-speed train approaching. Please stop behind the yellow line. Tren de alta velocidad de advertencia que se acerca. Por favor, paso detrás de la línea amarilla. Warning, high-speed train approaching. Please stop behind the yellow line. Tren de alta velocidad de advertencia que se acerca. Por favor, paso detrás de la línea amarilla. Warning, high-speed train approaching. Please stop behind the yellow line. Tren de alta velocidad de advertencia que se acerca. Paso detrás de la línea amarilla.
That's correct, and we'll hold off on that next one. I got a rock train getting into Albuquerque, see what they're going to do. So long it's going to take them to set up a couple cars. I might need to bring you guys down on Main too, but we'll hold off on that next one for now.
Amtrak moves engines and cars between Los Angeles and Chicago, where they are moved to Beech Grove, Indiana for servicing. Today we catch two Surfliner cars being deadheaded on the eastbound Southwest Chief. Almost every day, high-priority UPS containers move up from Belen, New Mexico, to the loading facility in South Albuquerque. Later that day, the train will return to Belen. This is known as the 101 job or the Belen transfer, and we catch it just as it arrives at the loading facility along 2nd Street.
got there, Jeff?
1317 without motors. Amtrak 4 dimensions dispatch over.
BNSF Rule 5.4.7, known as the red flag rule, says red flag, sign, or light stop before passing the red flag unless the employee in charge gives verbal permission, including the milepost location of the red flag. If permission to proceed is received before the train stops, the train may pass the red flag without stopping. If Track Bulletin Form B is not in effect, then permission must include speed and distance. This speed must not be exceeded until the rear of the train has passed the specified distance from the red flag, unless otherwise instructed by the employee in charge. Amtrak and the New Mexico Department of Transportation occasionally run tests to make sure that the crews obey the rule. We catch this on the scanner as the test is run frequently near Bernalillo 550 station.
Amtrak 4 dimensions dispatch over.
Much dispatch, over.
Yes, sir. We are looking at a red signal here at East Bernalillo, over.
Alright, have to talk to you by. Let me know.
Okay, Engineer Bullerwell, track 140 east, ready, copy, over.
Engineer Bulwell on Amtrak 140 after stopping at CP East Bernalillo. Amtrak 140, you do have authority to pass signal explain stop indication. Proceed eastbound, main to main, over.
Alright, Amtrak 40 east understands after stopping at signal explain stop at CP East Bernalillo. We have authority to pass signal explain stop indication. Proceed eastbound, main to main, over.
Hey, he's correct, over.
All correct. Alright, thank you, yes. Track 4 out.
Dispatch out. Yeah, number 4 train copy. Do have the authority to pass the signal displaying stop. Here we go. Restricted speed, over.
Alright, 4, we have authority to pass signal explain stop. Here we go, restricted speed, over. Amtrak 4 heading conductor, we have an obstruction in the track, over.
Roger that. Obstruction up ahead of us.
Track 140 east to the person in charge of the flag. Over.
Amtrak road foreman to Amtrak 140 east. That was my banner in the middle of the track. You are okay to proceed per the rule. Over. It has been removed. Over.
Alright, Amtrak 140 east understands. Flag has been removed. We're okay to proceed per rule. Here we go. Thank you.
All right, and number 4, conductor head in. Obstruction has been removed. We can continue at restricted speed. Over.
Alright, Amtrak 4, here we go. Proceed at restricted speed.
Road foreman 2 head in 4. Over.
Head in 4, over.
James, when you come by, would you be kind enough to toss down a single water bottle, please? Over.
Of course. No problem at all.
Thank you. Out. Amtrak road foreman conductor 4. Over.
Go ahead, over.
Yes, Matt, you participated in a joint test with Amtrak and American officials. Great job. Thank you very much. Over.
Roger.
Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.